So, hello! Today we make my special salmon spaghetti. For that we need 200 grams salmon, some Schnittlauch, we need 2 small chili, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, little bit garlic, ginger and 5 pieces garlic, cream, coconut oil, parmesan, curcuma, chili powder, pepper, salt and creamy smelty cheese and spaghetti. So let's start. First we have to cut everything and cooking the water. The garlic, the chili, the ginger and the onions already cut it and mixed together. The Schnittlauch we cut in small pieces. The tomato as well in very small pieces. And the salmon also. So let's start to cook. Salt for the spaghetti water, half of the salt. And now the spaghettis. Now the pan is hot, we put the coconut oil. And the garlic, the ginger, the onions and the chili. And the tomatoes. Cover it a little bit. For some 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So now it's good. And put the salmon. And the pepper. And the chili powder. And the curcuma. Cream. The creamy melty melty cheese. It's like a big tablespoon. And the parmesan. And the salt. And we cover it. After 3 minutes, mix it, and now we let it open. And in 3 minutes, spaghettis are ready, and the sauce as well. So at least we put the Schnittlauch in there. It's nice, the green and the yellow color together. So spaghetti are ready. And now we will mix all together the spaghetti and the sauce. Voila! Bon appetit! Salmon spaghetti with chili, tomatoes.